Ever wondered how police officers handle a dangerous car speeding away? While high-speed chases may come to mind, the reality is that law enforcement employs a variety of innovative and effective methods to halt these dangerous drivers. In this video, we explore the top 10 techniques, ranging from traditional tactics like spike strips and roadblocks to modern technologies such as the Grappler and hydraulic road blocker. Number 10. Global Grab for 100. As a premier provider of advanced perimeter security solutions, this company has established itself as a reliable ally for both the US military and a diverse array of commercial enterprises. Interestingly, their innovative products include barrier systems that, at first glance, might resemble volleyball nets, but are engineered with the strength to halt vehicles in their tracks. During rigorous testing, one of their systems impressively brought a 7-ton truck traveling at 60 kilometers per hour to a complete standstill. The systems are not only effective, but also highly resilient, with some clients reporting over 1 million operational cycles without fail. The rapid recovery feature enables these barriers to be reset within mere minutes after a collision. The efficiency and effectiveness of these security products have not gone unnoticed, as evidenced by their esteemed clientele, which includes prominent names like Google, NASA, BP, and Shell. Number 9. Sabtech Type Killer. Moving on to our next offering, an esteemed mechanical tire deflation device hailing from Saudi Arabia. This device ensures vehicles can only move in one designated direction once installed, making it a perfect choice for security checkpoints. Customers have the flexibility of choosing between two installation styles, one that sits prominently like a speed bump and another that blends seamlessly with the road surface. The default version spans 1.2 meters with 12 spikes, each standing 5 centimeters tall. While it may appear straightforward, its significance is highlighted by its partnership with the esteemed Japanese corporation, Kawasaki, amongst others. Customizable options are also available to meet specific security needs. Number 8. Thorn Barriers. This innovative product serves as a formidable deterrent against any motorized intruders threatening to encroach upon a secure area. The creators, with their humble expressions, perhaps underestimate the potency of their design, which is not only capable of halting cars and trucks, but is robust enough to stop a tank in its tracks. This security device is essentially a modern adaptation of the renowned Czech hedgehog, a type of anti-tank barrier. Its design is disarmingly simple. Two X-shaped elements are conjoined to form an immovable object. The product comes in various sizes, with the smallest model weighing in at 40 kilograms and the tallest reaching up to 1.1 meters in height while tipping the scales at 378 kilograms. Manufactured in the Czech Republic, this barrier has gained considerable traction, with a clientele spanning Europe and the Middle East. The lingering question is what these devices have successfully kept at bay. Number 7. Spike Stinger. The revolutionary autonomous device designed to hold any vehicle, from motorcycles to trailer trucks, is encapsulated within a 16-kilogram suitcase. This portable device unfurls a 4-meter-long spike strip in just 5 seconds, necessitating minimal setup from law enforcement. Officers simply need to place the case on the ground, retreat to a safe distance of at least 100 meters, and activate it with a button press. Effective on various terrains such as sand, gravel, snow, or even flooded roads, the device ensures that the pursued vehicle comes to a stop within 100 meters. The spike strip can then be quickly retracted to prevent any damage to the wheels of police vehicles in pursuit. Currently, this system is available for purchase on every continent, with the exception of Antarctica. Number 6. CrookHook. The CrookHook presents an efficient and straightforward approach that aids law enforcement in apprehending suspicious vehicles more easily. Designed with attachable horns, this device can latch onto a car, effectively preventing the suspect from fleeing. Its use significantly reduces the need for perilous high-speed chases, which is a major benefit over traditional police methods. Beyond its application within the police force, the CrookHook is also utilized by the Army for extracting vehicles that are difficult to move. This innovative tool increases the likelihood of recovering stolen vehicles intact, offering peace of mind to car owners who have devoted significant resources to their automobiles. Number 5. Grappler. Envision a typical police chase where officers are in pursuit of dangerous criminals, often leading to risky driving maneuvers and potential collisions. Introducing the Grappler system, at least one police vehicle could transform this scenario by easily apprehending suspects. The system operates on a simple concept. It utilizes a net attached to folding braces that, upon making contact with the vehicle's wheel, quickly immobilizes it by preventing it from spinning. The Grappler can be reloaded in just 5 minutes and is designed to be deployed from within the cabin, allowing officers to promptly pursue another target if necessary. Moreover, the system's design does not hinder the police car's maneuverability, even in heavy traffic, and it can be concealed to maintain an element of surprise. Number 4. Barnacle. The Barnacle presents a swift, straightforward, and potent method for penalizing illegal parking. This enforcement device, which has gained traction in the United States, clamps onto the windshield of an offender's car, rendering it immobile until a fine is paid and a code to unlock it is provided. Attempts to forcibly remove the Barnacle or to flee without settling the fine triggers a siren and activates a GPS signal that notifies law enforcement of the vehicle's whereabouts. Importantly, after its removal, the device must be returned to a designated area, as failing to do so could result in additional penalties. Since its initial implementation in 2020, the Barnacle has been field tested in various US cities and is valued at around $5,000 each. Its proven efficacy in deterring illegal parking practices has made it a favored tool amongst police and parking management teams. Number 3. Pitagone F18. Introducing the F18, our innovative modular barrier system. Despite its seemingly delicate 1-meter-tall structure, this powerhouse effortlessly halts a 12-ton truck speeding at 42 km/h. Remarkably, installation is a breeze, requiring just one person, with absolutely no need for tools or fasteners to secure it to the asphalt. Thoughtfully designed to avoid any sharp edges, the F18 ensures that pedestrians remain safe, making it an ideal choice for public events. For added convenience, storage and transportation are simplified through the use of specially designed boxes. For those in urgent need of deployment, the company offers the expertise of its skilled staff to ensure rapid installation. Number 2. Optima Mobile Hydraulic Road Blocker. Another obstacle has been innovatively addressed by incorporating mobility into the design through the addition of wheels, transforming it into a conveniently transportable trailer. Once positioned as needed, the wheels can be detached to set up the system, featuring a barrier that can extend up to 1 meter high. Depending on the model, the activation time for raising the barrier is impressively quick, taking either 3.5 seconds or an even faster 1.5 seconds for the enhanced version. Designed with automation in mind, the blocker is compatible with programmable logic controller PLC systems, allowing for streamlined operation. It comes equipped with a remote control for ease of use, and in extraordinary circumstances, the barrier can also be manually raised or lowered. Furthermore, the system offers an eco-friendly option by supporting the installation of solar panels, aligning with environmental sustainability efforts. Number 1. Mobilespike. Deploying a mobile spike system has revolutionized police pursuits, eliminating the need for multiple vehicles, including blockades and helicopters, traditionally required to apprehend fleeing suspects. Through this innovative approach, a single police car can effectively neutralize a runaway vehicle by propelling a spike strip directly under its wheels, causing the tires to deflate within a minute. This technique is not only versatile, working at speeds ranging from 24 to 161 kilometers per hour, but also adaptable to older police vehicles thanks to its bumper mounting system. This advancement underscores a significant leap forward in law enforcement tactics, making it possible to safely, efficiently stop criminals in their tracks with minimal resources.